For suppose here I am drawing a square and I am giving its sides as 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and again over here 2 centimeter. Now I am set to take out the area of the square. So what is the formula you have to use? The formula to take out the area is side into side. Now if I am set to take out the area of this square, then what I have to do? I have to write 2 into 2 centimeter, because I know the given units or the given sides of this square is 2. So 2 into 2, 4 square centimeter. Now why I am writing square centimeter? Because it's very important that whenever you're taking out the area of any, it can be a square, it can be a rectangle, you have to always put square centimeter. This is a square again, and I'll give its units or sides as 2 meter now. Earlier I've used centimeter, now I'm using meter, right? And I'm set to take out the perimeter. So what will I do? The formula for taking out perimeter is 4 into side. That is 4 into side. Now what I have to do is, I'm set to take out the perimeter of the square. So what I will do? I'll simply do 4 into 2. So it is 4 2s are 8. So 8 meter. And now I'll not put square meter, I'll only put meter, because in case of perimeter we will not put square, we'll only write the unit, that is 8 meter. I hope you're clear with square. So first suppose I have taken a rectangle, and we know that rectangle is not having all the sides equal, sides are different. The upper two sides are equal and the sides, these two sides are equal. So I'll give it like 2, okay, let it be 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. Now area. What is the formula? The formula is length into breadth. So which one is the length over here? 3 meter is the length over here. This is the length. And this is the breadth. Okay, right, it will be 4. Okay, sorry for the mistake. It will be 4 meter and 4 meter. So let me write it, 4 meter and 4 meter. So 3 into 4 equals 3 4s are 12 meter, but it will be 12 square meter. Why? Because we know, and I have said already in that square video, that you always have to put square unit after area. Now comes perimeter. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into, write perimeter, perimeter equals to 2 into L plus B, means length plus breadth. So 2 into, what is our length over here? 2 meter is our length over here, and 6 meter is our breadth over here. So 2 into 2 plus 6. So it will be 2 plus 6. Okay, let me grab it. 2 plus 6. So 2 into 6 plus 2 equals to 8. 2 into 8 equals to 16 meter. Here we will not put square. All the sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. Next, all angles are 90 degree. All angles are 90 degree. I'll write it. All angles are 90 degree, as you can see. 90 degree. Then all the diagonals are equal. They have two diagonals, and diagonals are equal and are perpendicular. diagonals are equal and are perpendicular, means 90 degree, and they are equal even. So first is all angles are 90 degree. All angles are 90 degree. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. Opposite sides are parallel. Then opposite sides are equal from both the sides. Then diagonals are equal and bisect each other. That's all about the topic. Thank you.